Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You need an Azure subscription and proper role membership. Once done, create or choose a resource group in your target region and note the subscription ID. Next, enable any required services such as Resource Manager and networking APIs because the Dome deployment needs those. Make sure you have authentication configured, Azure CLI or portal session, plus service principal or user credentials. You're ready to proceed to provisioning the Dome resources. You deploy the Dome using Azure CLI or an ARM template. This gives repeatable results. First, fill template parameters. SKU, instance size, VNet/subnet ID, and storage account because those control cost and connectivity. Run the deployment command and watch the provisioning steps. If you use CLI, capture the operation ID for tracking. Once resources are created, validate by checking deployment status, resource ID, and activity logs to ensure networking and storage attached correctly. Then move to configuration and access. You finish by configuring DNS, uploading certificates, and locking down firewall or NSG rules so the Dome is reachable and secure. Then test connectivity with ping and secure tunnel checks, and exercise the service endpoints to confirm health. If something fails, first inspect NSGs and route tables, then verify quotas and subscription limits. Many issues are network or quota related. Finally, iterate configuration changes and retest until the Dome responds consistently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.